we do is give a percent of our profits back to support U.S. veterans, giving soldiers the help they need.
In this episode, we visit 13 Stars, a veteran-owned and operated hot sauce company that creates its unique recipes from locally sourced produce.
And that's not all. Their kitchen is located inside the legendary Hope in Maine Collaborative. We got the inside scoop from owner Sean Maloney.
Back in 2018, coming back from deployment, I kind of knew I wanted to start a business. My business partner, Eli, and his father actually grow peppers. Not thinking anything at the time. We basically just took a bunch of the peppers, bottled it up, brought it to a Patriots game. This is amazing. Like, do you sell this? Okay. The proverbial light bulb went off at that point. We're focusing on flavor and heat with all of our sauces, so it's not just blowing your taste buds off. Our three main ones are mean green, your taco night sauce, the jalapeno and lime-based sauce. This is like a staple for all of our sauces. There's more main ingredient than there is vinegar. So jalapeno is the first ingredient on that bad boy. The red one here is a poblano red jalapeno. This is really your everyday sauce. This is our sweet heat mango habanero based sauce. A little bit of sweetness too. My go-to is pulled pork. This is our seasonal sauce right here. So Carolina Reaper, ghost pepper, habanero, red bell pepper blend. Thank you.
It's right below concerning.
Random assortment of pepper. That's not. It's all intentional. All the flavor profiles are.
It's hotter than I expected.
Thank you.
Oh my God, that was too much. Wow. Want to be featured on the show? Contact us at info@riserec.com or call 401-308-3279.